Hi there, I'm Lisa, and I'm part of the Teams team here at Microsoft. This week, we'll be featuring a collaboration app that makes it easy to manage projects from Teams. Whether you're creating a new ticket or reviewing a project status in a meeting, Jira and Teams gives you one shared view to plan, track, and take action quickly. For many of us, Jira is known for project management at scale, in the same way that Teams is known for collaboration. There's no denying they're valuable on their own, but where the magic really happens is when we combine these two power players and create new possibilities for your work. With everything from product roadmaps to customized notifications, the new Jira app empowers you to complete end-to-end workflows. Let me show you how. First, you'll need a Jira Cloud account that's free for up to 10 users. They have a range of plans to choose from, so you can find the best one that works for you and your company. Let's start by finding the Jira app in Teams on the left side and clicking on the app's icon. Use the search bar, type in Jira, and select Jira Cloud. From here, you'll find helpful videos, images, and descriptions of what you can do with Jira and Teams. You can add the app directly to a team, to a chat, or to a meeting from the install window, or simply click Add to get started. Once it's installed, you can sign in with your Jira account, and it will automatically load any notifications if you have tasks or issues assigned to you within the chat. To add Jira to an existing Teams channel, go to the plus sign at the top of any channel, select Jira, and then click Add. Select the Jira site you want to add, an issue filter to show up in your channel feed. You can sort by assignee, created on date, or any other column shown here. Adding the Jira app to your chats is also helpful to quickly see tickets, add comments, and update statuses without leaving Teams. To edit an issue or ticket directly from your chat, start by clicking on the three dots and selecting the Jira app. From here, you'll find recent issues below or use the search bar to find the exact issue. Now you can comment or edit the issue all within Teams. Another way to avoid bouncing back between apps is notifications. You can get notified in real time when a Jira ticket is updated with custom notifications. Not only can you see the updates, but you can take action by commenting on the Jira issue, editing it, or adjusting notifications for that issue. As you can see, the deep integration not only saves you time and clicks, but will give you greater freedom and momentum to get to done faster. Be sure to subscribe so you don't miss the next collaboration app of the week and discover all the ways you can use Microsoft Teams.